In a quiet, unassuming neighborhood stood a house that locals rarely spoke of, except in hushed tones and wary glances. Decades ago, the family who first lived there vanished without a trace, leaving their possessions behind.
Hey there, friends! Let me ask you this real quick. What if I told you there's a way to create a full video with voiceover, music, and visuals in under 5 minutes, without even touching a camera or editing software? Sounds too good to be true, right? Stick around because in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using an AI tool called Videogen. And there's a little trick near the end that could make your videos go viral. So don't miss that part. If you're into AI tools that help you save time and even make money online, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap that bell. And trust me, you'll want to watch this till the end because just skipping one tiny step could mess up your final video. All right, real talk, you don't need to be a video editor, filmmaker, or even tech savvy to start creating awesome content today. We're living in the AI era now, and tools like Videogen are here to do the heavy lifting for us. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step, like I'm right next to you, on how to turn just a text idea into a finished, professional-looking video. Let's jump on my screen and do this together. Step 1. First, open your browser and click the link I've added in the video description below. Once you're on the home page, look for the big red button that says Get Started. Click on that. You'll get 2 options: sign in with Google or with email. I'll go with Google. It's quicker. Click Continue with Google, choose your account, and you're in. Just a heads up, Videogen has a free plan to test things out. But if you're planning to use it often, I really recommend upgrading to the Pro plan. You get unlimited exports, more voices, and higher quality, and it only costs around $12 a month if you pay annually. Totally worth it. Once you're inside, you'll land on your main dashboard. In the center, you'll see your previous projects. Now click the red Create a Video button at the top. This is where the real magic starts. Here, you'll pick your media type. There are 3 options. 1. Standard stock. Access 500,000 free clips. 2. Generative images. Let AI generate images and stitch them together into a video. 3. Premium iStock. Over 1.2 million stock clips. You can also upload your own images or clips, but I'm letting the AI handle it all today. I'm picking generative images, then setting clip pace to slow, meaning clips change every 15 to 30 words. I'll also set the video ratio to 16:9. You can leave the template section blank, and Videogen will pick one for you. Click Continue. Step 2. Once you're inside, you'll see a big search box or input field. This is where you type in your video idea or topic. For example, you could type something like 5 tips to grow on TikTok using AI, a true story about a haunted house, or literally anything you want to make a video about. Just type it in, don't overthink it. You can always tweak things later. Step 3. Customize the settings. Now, this is where the magic begins. After you enter your topic, Videogen will ask you to customize a few options. Here's what you'll see. Word count. You can go short, around 300 words, medium, 600, or set your own. Language. English, Spanish, Vietnamese, choose what works for you. But let's stick with English for now since most of our viewers are from the US. Click the red button to continue. Videogen now shows an outline of your video. You can edit the text, add a 1-second pause after a sentence, or insert new lines using the plus button. All set? Hit Generate Video and let the AI do its thing.
In a quiet, unassuming neighborhood stood a house that locals rarely spoke of, except in hushed tones and wary glances. Decades ago, the family who first lived there vanished without its. The sound of footsteps echoing in empty hallways, cold drafts sweeping through locked rooms, and the eerie flicker of lights late at night.
The video looks amazing. Smooth voice, great visuals. But if you want to make changes, here's what you can do. Voice. Click the mic icon to swap voices. Male, female, serious, fun tones. Music. Choose stock music or upload your own. Adjust volume as needed. Subtitles, Themes tab. Turn subtitles on, off, change font, size, position. Tip, bottom for YouTube, top for TikTok. When you're done editing, hit share in the top right. Pick your resolution. I highly recommend 4K for sharp visuals. Click export video and wait a few minutes. You'll get an email when it's ready to download. And there you go, a professional-looking video made entirely with AI. No camera, no editing software, no stress. Whether you're a YouTuber, blogger, or online business owner, Videogen can save you hours and boost your content game. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Wizard AI so you don't miss out on future AI tools and tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I always check and reply. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.